Hey everyone, welcome back to Mr. Wonder How. In this video, we're going to start building a 2D ragdoll in Unity from scratch. First, we need to break down our 2D character into separate body parts, like head, torso, arms, and legs. You can use individual sprites, or slice a single sprite sheet. Now, let's make our character react to physics. Select each body part and add a rigid body 2D component. Set body type to dynamic. Next, add collider 2D components to each part so they can interact with the world. Adjust collider size to fit the sprite. Time to join the parts together. We'll use hingjoint 2D to simulate joints like shoulders, knees, and neck. Set connected body to the torso's rigid body. Adjust anchor and connected anchor. Enable use limits to control joint rotation. Adjust angle limits for realistic movement. Repeat for other limbs. In the next part, we'll clean up the ragdoll behavior and show how to switch between animations and ragdoll mode with a key press. So make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell.